3 steps to make $10,000 a month with the new flip, bicycle flipping. Hey gang, this is Mike with My Real Estate Dojo, and I'm going to show you exactly how I turned $100 into $10,000 in bicycle flipping in 1 month. Okay, the very first is to realize there are motivated sellers in all aspects of life. If you're talking about real estate, if you're talking about bicycles, cars, and what I'm going to show you right now is to find motivated sellers, okay, and negotiate with them in a copy and paste system, which you don't even have to do yourself, it's just copy and paste it, to find these rock bottom deals. Let me give you an example. Like I bought a bike that was worth $1,000 for just $100, and then I sold that bike in less than 24 hours for $500. That means I made $400 in profits in less than 24 hours. And the whole deal only took me about 30 minutes worth of work, okay? So this is what I'm gonna show you, called the new flip, the revolutionary bicycle flipping system, what I call the best side hustle, okay? The very first thing you wanna do is to go below and download my book. Okay, it's very important because I have all the systems on what bikes to buy, where to find the deals, what sizes to buy, what type of bikes to buy. My offer letters, just copy and paste. It's a copy and paste system plus video training. The second thing you need to do is reach out to me for coaching, because when you buy my book, you get free coaching. I want to help you make 10K a month with bicycle flipping. I'm so confident that my idea works that I'm wanting to reach out my hands to you and help you, okay? No one on the internet is doing that stuff, guys. There's no sales pitch. You don't have to pay anything else. Once you get my book, you get access to me for coaching over the shoulder to help you do the new flip. No joke, okay? Because I want you to win. I want you to stack up your cheese, okay? The third thing you got to do is follow the instructions in the book and start giving offers on the platforms that are totally for free that I list on the new flip course on how to do it. Just copy and paste my offer letters that are already in there to the seller. So when you give an offer, whatever the seller says, you copy the next message. Whatever the seller says, you copy the next message, and so on. And it's very simple. You don't need to have a website. You don't need to have experience. The book is a manual plus the book plus video training, and it's also a copy and paste system, which means like you don't really have to do any kind of thinking. You can let someone in a third world country, like a virtual assistant, do this for you if you know how to find virtual assistant and train them to follow the new flip system. Or you can do it yourself, and then hire someone else to do it, okay? So excuse me, simply put, the new flip is the best side hustle that I know. I've been an entrepreneur for 25 years. I've never had a job. I've never worked for the man. The first company that I started out of college, I lived in my car with $100. I was able to turn that into multi-millions of dollars, own it for 14, 15 years, debt-free. I'm not flexing on you. I'm just letting you know my background. I came to America as a refugee, didn't even speak the language. Okay, so next business that I went into was being a real estate brokerage firm, and I had brokers older than my grandparents working for me. We've done multi-million-dollar penthouses. We've done short sales, loan modifications. We've done normal listing property management, and so on, okay? I'm also a real estate investor, and I've owned rental properties since 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, and so on, okay? And I collected passive income. So I've created a new flip for my students that want to get into the real estate game, because I don't like stinky bankers and I don't like my students to get into debt. So I created this side hustle for them to stack up their cheese while they're learning all the skills required to buy houses at a deep discount, buy houses with seller financing. Because when you learn how to flip bicycles and the skills that I've listed in my book that you can download right now below, not only do you learn how to buy bicycles at a deep discount, you learn how to buy houses at a deep discount, you learn how to buy cars at a deep discount, you learn how to buy boats at a deep discount. You can take that information and apply it to anything, because what I show you is revolutionary, which is called the motivated seller pool. Okay, I show you how to find motivated sellers, how to negotiate with them, how to talk to them, and it's all copy and paste. You don't have to negotiate with them. It's just through text messaging, okay? It's just through emails. There's no picking up the phone. So easy. You can make money. Now, there's a possibility that you could lose your money, but all the money capital you need to start up the new flip is just $100, okay? Now, there's a lot of side hustles that once you get into debt, thousands of dollars, or businesses that once you spend $200,000 or $300,000 to get into a franchise or stuff like that. No, with this business, all you need is $100 to start. You need $100 to buy a bike that's worth $1,000 for $100, and then flip it to 500, so you can make 400 fast, and do that over and over. And the reason it works so fast is because once you buy a bicycle that's worth $1,000 and you bring it back to the market and you price it below the competition deep, okay, because you bought it at such a deep discount, now you can sell it at a discount and people are just going to gobble it up because the bike is worth 1,000. Everyone else is selling it for 1,000, but you're the only guy in town selling that same exact bike for 500. And the reason you can afford to sell it for 500 because you just pay $100 for it. So now you have $400 in profits, and the bike's going to move in warp speed. And I get into it in my book. I show you where to find these deals, how to do everything you need, plus the coaching you need, totally for free, included when you download my book, because I want you to win. I want you to stack up your cheese, get the skills you require. Then if you want to do real estate investing, I want you to join my Real Estate Dojo Seller Financing Academy. I want you to be there every step of your way. So if you're thinking about being a real estate investor, download the new Flip, because you're going to need these skills. If you're broke and you need a side hustle, download the new Flip. If you have a good job and you need extra income, download the new Flip, because you can do it right from your computer or your cell phone. You don't need any special equipment or websites or marketing budgets or any kind of skills. It's just a copy and paste. I have video training, plus you get access to me for coaching, plus you get the Facebook group where you get to just actually see other students from other parts of the country or in the world do deals, and you can ask them questions when you download the new Flip. You can download it at myrealestatedojo.com. Go check out my reviews, myrealestatedojo.com, or you can go to thenewflip.com. Thank you for watching. Click the like button. I really want to coach you. I really want to help you succeed in real estate, in flipping bikes, being your dreams, being an entrepreneur. And that's why I created a new Flip, because it's revolutionary. All you need is $100 to get started, and I'm there every step of the way, watching over your shoulder to help you don't make any mistakes and you don't lose money, because I want you to win. I want you to come back and say, damn, Mike, thank you so much for changing my life, because life is short, guys. Life is short, okay? It's not about material things. If you guys have been following me since 2016 when I started, or actually, yeah, I think 2013 when I started doing these videos, I've donated most of my stuff to the homeless, guys, okay? I came to America as a refugee, lived in my car, turned $100 into multi-millions of dollars, from $100 to 3 different businesses, multiple locations, and then I ended up giving most of my stuff to the homeless because I was tired of accumulation and I wasn't happy. So I'm doing this out of love. Download my course right now below. It's on sale. I'm basically giving it away for free. You get my whole system plus the coaching for just pennies on the dollar. I'm going to be there every step of the way, answer your questions. If you don't take action, it's not going to work. Let me not joke with you. If you don't take action, you just download the book, you just read it, you don't do nothing with it, it ain't going to work. But if you download the book, you take action, you ask for help, I'll be right there to answer every and all your questions, because I want you to win. Peace, guys.
Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide, at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy, where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on, for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.MrNoFluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.